Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GENE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case you may be new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Quite the eventful day on Friday, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and definitely well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on it, so let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So first key level of support, and really this is the level for, well, I might have to take that back. I think they line up pretty close, but not quite sure. Pretty close, not exactly. So I'll step back and I'll say that that purple line there, which is the 50-period moving average, not going to be quite the do or die level, because technically speaking, there is this overall trend line here that's been doing a good job of kind of measuring the overall kind of drift to the upside that the price has been going through in the bullish direction. And like I said, technically speaking, now that I map it out there, price could break through that purple line there, but still come down to that orange line and find support and work its way back upwards and still be in an overall uptrend line, or still be in an overall uptrend. So yes, preferably speaking, staying above that purple line would be great, but you could have some sort of action like this take place where the price breaks below the purple line, but then finds support on the orange line and continues on. Now, if the price comes down to the orange line and then just crashes down through it, at that point, this trend is broken, and you can really make a case that, maybe the bears are taking back over control of the chart. But as of right now, the bulls are in full control. I get it. That may sound crazy given your perspective. I mean, if you're some sort of flipper or day trader and you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 8 minutes, well then, yeah, I get it. That totally sounds crazy for me to still be able to call the chart bullish. But taking a step back and looking at multiple days, you can see the price still has that opportunity to chip away and build a higher base as it's been doing, and to stay up above that orange line. So moral of the story here is, yeah, I get it. There was a pretty nasty pullback today on Friday, but think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days as we're doing here, you can see the overall chart is in an uptrend, and as long as the price stays above that uptrending trend line, then the bulls still own the chart. So we'll see if the bulls can build that higher base or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.